everybody, this is Juan from Sentinel. So today we're gonna teach you guys how to replace broken glass for Samsung S8 Plus. We did videos for S8 Plus before, but now you know that technology is getting better. We have better machines, we have better technology, and we have more experience. That's why we want to redo the video, renew the video to let you guys see the latest way we separate and we laminate, we replace the broken glass. So first thing we're gonna do the separation. We're gonna use this freezer 270. This is our latest freezer. We're gonna use this machine to separate the broken glass. Then we're gonna do the glue cleaning. We're gonna do the lamination. So for the come closer. So for the separation, we need freezer. We also need a grinding machine. So we're gonna use this grinding machine to cut a little bit on every corner. Then we're gonna put into this freezer for 3 minutes. Then we're gonna start the separation. Okay, now I'm gonna ask my technician Liu. Now he's gonna show the whole process. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut a little bit on every corner. A lot of people ask me why we do this, because this is like we're looking for the weakness of this glass, of this broken glass. Okay, cut a little bit. Though the temperature of this machine is -185, -185. Because now the room temperature is like 32. It's almost 32 degrees. It's very hot here. So the temperature only reaches -185. But normally, like a few days ago, we tested the same machine. It reaches -195 almost, -195. Now because of the room temperature, it's only now the temperature is only -185. But it is enough. It is enough for all kinds of screens. It's -185. Now we test the screen, make sure touch works okay. Everything's perfect. Now we're gonna put this screen. Clean a little bit, the frost on the plate. Now we put on it. Okay, now we wait for 3 minutes. You know, because we did several videos to show you guys. Okay, here is now it's like we wait until 14:15. Now the temperature is 33. The room temperature -83. Since we have to wait for 3 minutes, so let's introduce a little bit about this machine. As you can see here, we have 3 different languages: Chinese, English, and Spanish. So every time when you receive, because our customer, we have some customers, when they receive the machine, they switch on the machine doesn't work. You know why? Because we have like a protection system. It will take like 2 minutes before it starts working. That means when you press here, see the start button, you press start. You click start button, then you have to wait for 2 minutes. This is the time we set for protecting the compressor. So every time when you stop it, when you restart it, it will be like 2 minutes. The time of waiting is 2 minutes. You have to wait for 2 minutes. So this is not about any quality problem or this machine has a problem. No, this is the protection system that this machine has. Since we still have another 1 minute, so we're gonna do this again, because I don't think everybody can watch every video that we have. So we will introduce a little bit about this machine.
Oh, this switch. We use the Schneider. This relay is also Schneider. This driver we use Meanwhile, and the compressor is from T-Council. This machine is very good quality. This Q7, we used all the international brand, very good quality. T-Council is a company which is more than 80 years. And also their Schneider and Meanwhile, those are very good, very big company and international brand. So if you buy this machine, you won't have any problem. You won't have any problem. And also you have 1 year, because we're so confident about our machine. That's why we can keep 1 year warranty. 1 year warranty. That means if you buy from us, anything happened to the compressor, because compressor is something that you cannot fix. We have sold more than 200 pieces this freezer to all over the world. Nobody, even though we sent freezers, we sent compressors, we sent coolant to our customers, nobody could even fix it. That's why we give you warranty, meaning during 1 year, if the compressor got broken, we replace a new one. What you need to do, just you don't need to return it, because all the Chinese suppliers tell you return it. Okay, now I'm gonna stop so we can see. Now you just use the very thin, very easy. Be careful. This freezer, normally we use it for separating broken glass and also separating the frame. Now it's perfect. The job, the separation is done. This motherboard is this is for testing. This is testing motherboard, so it's kind of different from your cell phone. So the test here, we make sure the touch works fine. Okay, perfect. So remember, you have you use the freezer and the grinding machine, and it cuts a little bit on the surface. Now this screen works fine, so we go to the next step. Now we're gonna do the glue removing. The temperature normally we set from 90 to 100. From 90 to 100. So in this process, you're gonna need the hot plate. Remember, from 90 to 100 degrees. And also we're gonna need this glue removing gadget. You're gonna use it like this to remove the glue. So when the temperature, when the screen is getting warm, so the glue will be easier to use this gadget, this glue moving gadget, to remove it. So I'm gonna repeat. You're gonna need the hot plate. You're gonna need this glue removing gadget. You're gonna use the cleaning, the wiper, the cleaning wiper. You're gonna need the liquid 966. You're gonna need this 966 and a wiper separator and this glue removing out. And also you're gonna need this sponge. just remember those small stuff, small gadgets what we're using. 1, 2, this sponge, this liquid, okay, liquid glue removing gadget. This is the sponge and the hot plate. What else do we need? Nothing else. And the wiper. This is all. This is what we need for this separation. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 stuff are what we need for this separation. I'm trying to try my best to explain to you guys every step that we're using to make sure, guys, to understand everything and don't miss anything about this whole process, procedures. Now the temperature is 91. We waited like 3 minutes. We have waited like 3 minutes, right? Now we put the cleaning wiper on the screen. So this is 966. This is the liquid what we're using. Just put put the liquids on the screen to make the screen wet. We'll wait till like a few seconds. Now we're gonna use this small gadget, this yellow glue removing gadget. Just find weakness. As soon as you find a weakness, everything will be easy. So this is a job that requires patience. So when you do this job, you need to be very patient. Now we need to test a little bit those screws, make sure it's okay. We removed 90% of those screws on the screens, 90%. So now we just test the screen, make sure it works fine, it's perfect. Now we're gonna use the freezer to separate the screen from the frame. We're gonna separate the frame from the screen. So before you use the freezer, you need to put it aside for clean it a little bit. Then put it there for like 3-4 minutes. That's at least 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Now the time is like 2:30 to 34. So we're gonna, let's say 3 minutes and a half. It will be 38. So we will come back at 38. Now the temperature is -180. We put there for, because now the temperature is -180, so we put for like 4 minutes. So sometimes the temperature is -190. You just put there for 3 minutes. So it depends on temperature the machine has at the moment you are using the machine. Now it's almost 4 minutes, so we're gonna start the separation. Now the temperature is -181, so we're gonna start the separation. It has to be a extreme cold. the lowest temperature you can get, the lowest risk that you get. If you separate with the minus 140, it's very easy to break the LCD. That's why every day we need to make the freezer even cooler. Every day we make it cooler. Not a temperature, because my temperature is minus 180. Sometimes when it's 190, it will just come off just in a few seconds. This we made so many videos, so this is not the only one. So sometimes you saw in a video, it's very easy. It just came off so easy. It's because of the temperature. So the temperature is minus 190. So you can imagine that in that extreme cold, you can easily take that screen off from the frame. So the flex part, be careful because the flex is here. Okay. Now we separate the frame. After that, the next step we're gonna separate the flex. The flex is what we're gonna separate now. So this freezer, we're gonna use it for glass separation, for frame separation, and also for the flex separation. So in the whole process, you can use this machine like for this free usage. You need to be very careful because of the flex is very, very fragile. So you have to be very careful. The separation, the glass separation, frame separation, and the flex separation, and the glue removal. Those are like full parts, the most difficult part for this edge lamination, edge replacement. That's why you have to be very careful when you're doing those four steps. I just got those liquids and also the wiper for the technician. So in this way, just clean it. You clean a little bit. You can, yeah. So it works perfect. part works fine. It's perfect. That's what I said. We have better technology, so everything is getting easier now. So that's perfect. Okay, now we're gonna use this. Use this rubber. We're gonna clean those very small, tiny glues on the screen. Make sure don't bend the flex. So this is very important. Don't bend the flex. Now what you need this 966. Now we're gonna start clean these small tiny pieces on the screen. Yeah, you just use the sponge on the screen. It's very easy. We call this magic. You know, everything in China, so it's very easy to use, or it's very efficient. People will just call this magic. This magic water, this magic liquid, this magic is sponge. Use a little bit of this 966, then start using this sponge like to polish it. Now we're gonna do the lamination part. So first the thing we're gonna laminate the glass, the Olga. So this is the Olga. We're gonna laminate Olga on glass. Then we're gonna laminate this glass on the screen. So this is the screen. We're gonna laminate this glass on this screen. So what we need in this whole process, we need Olga, we need this front glass, we need screen, of course, we need a mold, and also we need another lamp for checking if there is any dust on the screen. And also the most important machine in this process is the laminator. This is Q5. Notice that Q5 we're gonna use. Okay, now let's get started. So first step, we're gonna put this Olga on the mold. Now we put the Olga on the rubber. So this is another mold. We put glass on it. We need to clean a little bit of the glass, make sure there's no dust. Since my technician is cleaning this glass, so we can check here the languages of this machine. Actually, we have Chinese, English, Portuguese. This is for Cambodia. This is for Espanol, Thailand, this language from Thai, This is Russian, this is German, so we have so many different languages. So for this video we're going to use English. Now we can say this is Olga. This Olga means now we're going to laminate Olga. For the LCD laminating we use this is 0.3. For the other size for Olga we use it for 0.4. The pressure, and this is the parameter you can set for time. So now the Olga parameter setting is 45. Now we put inside of this machine this laminator, this Q5. This is the latest laminator we made. So this one works for flat one, for edge, and also for tablet. Very good quality. As you can see, we use all the. Okay, now we start. Okay, now let's see the results post lamination. Any bubbles on it? Yes, some bubbles on the corner, but this is very normal. So every laminator or any mold that you're using, you're gonna find some small tiny bubbles on it. So now I'm gonna put into the bubble remover, and let's wait for okay. Now we're gonna put in there, and let's wait for 5 minutes because this is for the glass. We just wait for 5 minutes. If it's for the LCD, we can leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. But for this glass, we just leave it there for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes for glass for an Olga, and 15 to 20 minutes for the LCD. So let's wait for 5 minutes, then come back. Okay, now the time is over. So let's see. What's the result? How's the result? Can you see that clearly? Okay. Now we're gonna do the lamination. We're gonna laminate the LCD with the front glass. So firstly, you're gonna use this mold with a screen on it. Make sure the position is correct and right. And then you stick the LCD on the rubber. This is the old base. Actually, our new base, we have a cut. We have like space for the flex. So in the future, we say we have because this is the old one. The new one, we have like space for this flex. Now we use this lamp to help clean the dust on it.
Clean the dust with care. This is a job requires patience, so be careful. Careful with the flex. Just clean every part with patience, so you won't have any problem. Now we put front glass on the mold and clean it a little bit. There is organ film on it, so this is not necessary actually. Now this is for LCD. This is for LCD. LCD, the pressures now is 0.3. And let's see the parameter what we're using for LCD. For LCD, it's like 30 seconds, 30 degrees the temperature, 50 seconds for the pressing time, and the vacuum time is 35. So this is what we're using for the lamination for S8 Plus. And for each model we have like a reference. So if you buy a machine from us, you can talk to our salesman. So you can ask for this list. We have a list with the reference on it. For each model, there is like a recommended setting for the machine. The vacuum time, pressing time, also the temperature as well. Now let's see what's the result. Any bubbles on it? Let me check. Is that okay? Test it, make sure it's okay. house works well. There are some bubbles around the corner, so this is normal. We're gonna put into the bubble remover for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna put into the bubble remover. Be careful. We're gonna put into the bubble remover for 20 minutes. Okay guys, we will come back in a few minutes to see how's the result. See you. Now it's almost 20 minutes, so let's take it out to check. Under the light, let's then see this clearly from different angle. There is no bubbles. Okay, closer. Can you make the zoom? A little bit of zoom to make sure they see the corner. Is that okay? Let me see this. Yeah, just let you guys say there is no bubble at all. So this is a beautiful job that my technician did. So if you guys like our video, you have any comments, so just leave a comments on the YouTube channel, or just contact us by WhatsApp, by email. And if you like our YouTube video, just subscribe our YouTube channel or click like. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a nice day. Bye.